Hey there! Today, we're diving deep into the world of backlinks, those powerful connections that can really boost your website's ranking on Google. Think of backlinks like votes of confidence from other websites telling search engines that your content is worth checking out. But here's the thing, not all backlinks are created equal. Knowing which ones to go after can really make or break your SEO strategy. In this video, I'll show you 5 types of backlinks, explain how to get each one step by step, and highlight which ones are more powerful and relevant in 2024 so you know which backlinks to focus on. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the different types of backlinks, but you'll also know exactly how to go out and get them yourself. Sound good? Let's get started. Alright, first up, let's talk about natural editorial backlinks. These are like the gold standard of backlinks because they're given freely when someone finds your content valuable and decides to mention it in their own blog post, article, or web page. It's like getting a high five from another website. And because these backlinks are often from high authority sites, they can give your SEO a serious boost. But here's the catch. Sometimes websites mention your brand or content without actually linking to it. That's a missed opportunity for a powerful backlink, and it happens more often than you'd think. But don't worry, this is where tools like Google Alerts and BuzzSumo can really save the day. Let me show you how you can use these tools to find those unlinked mentions and turn them into valuable backlinks. First, let's set up Google Alerts. Head over to Google and search for Google Alerts. Once you're there, you'll see a box that says Create an Alert About. Go ahead and enter your brand name or the titles of your unique content. For example, if your brand is Super SEO, you'd enter Super SEO. You can also set up alerts for specific phrases related to your content, but I'd recommend focusing on phrases directly tied to your unique content rather than generic keywords like SEO tips. For instance, if you've published a unique guide on how to build high-quality backlinks in 2024, you might set up an alert for that exact phrase. This way, you're tracking mentions of your specific guide, rather than just the general topic of backlinks. Now, every time someone mentions your brand or content online, you'll get an alert. But the real trick is to monitor these alerts for mentions that don't include a link. When you get an alert, visit the website and use the search function to find where your brand or content is mentioned on the page. If you find a mention without a link, it's time to reach out. You can usually find the author's contact information on the website or by doing a quick search for the contact page. Now, when you're reaching out, be polite and explain that linking to your content would help their readers easily find what they're referring to. So, why are natural editorial backlinks so powerful? Well, these backlinks often come from high authority sites with a domain authority of 80 or higher. For example, if a site like Forbes, which has a domain authority of 95, or TechCrunch with a domain authority of 93, mentions your content and links back to it, that's a massive win for your SEO. And as we look ahead to 2024, natural editorial backlinks are still one of the most effective and sought-after types of backlinks. They're hard to get, but when you do, the payoff is huge. Next up are guest post backlinks. These are earned by writing articles for other websites in your niche. It's a great way to reach new audiences and get a valuable backlink. One easy way to get guest post backlinks is through a site like HubSpot. Let me walk you through the process. First, search for HubSpot on Google and click the first link. Then, click on the Sign Up button. You can sign up using your email or Google account. Once you're logged in, go to the Content tab on the left-hand menu. Click on it, then select Blog. Next, click the Create button in the top right corner to start writing your blog post. When you're done writing, click Publish at the top right corner. Before publishing, you can add the meta description, blog author, and featured image from the settings section. Write a high-quality article related to your niche and include a link to your website within the content or in your author bio. Submit your article according to their guidelines. Once approved, your post will go live with a backlink to your site. HubSpot has a domain authority of 93, making it a strong source for backlinks. To check whether the backlink is do follow or no follow, right-click on the link, select Inspect, and look for rel equals no follow in the HTML code. If you don't see rel equals no follow, it's a do follow link, which passes SEO value to your site. While not every site will accept your guest post, platforms like HubSpot provide a valuable opportunity. Now, let's dive into comment backlinks. These are created by leaving thoughtful comments on blog posts, forums, or online discussions. While they don't carry as much weight as other backlinks, they can still drive traffic to your site. Let's use a blog like Backlinko as an example. Keep in mind that Backlinko focuses on SEO-related articles, so it may not suit every niche. You can search for blogs in your niche and find ones that allow comments. First, search for Backlinko on Google and go to their blog section. Find a post that's relevant to your content. Scroll down to the comments section where you can enter your name, email, and website URL. Leave a thoughtful comment that adds value to the discussion. Comment backlinks are typically no-follow, meaning they don't pass SEO value, but they can still bring traffic and potentially lead to future opportunities. In 2024, they're best used as a supplementary strategy rather than a primary focus. Let's move on to profile backlinks. These are easy to set up by adding your website URL to your profile on various platforms like social media or directory sites. An example of a site that provides do-follow links for profile backlinks is LinkedIn. Search for LinkedIn on Google and sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook. Once logged in, go to your profile page, click on Edit Profile, and add your website URL in the Contact Info section. LinkedIn has a domain authority of 99, making it a valuable source for backlinks. These links are typically do follow, passing SEO value to your site. While profile backlinks are not the most powerful strategy, they're easy to get and useful as part of a broader SEO plan. Finally, let's talk about social bookmarking backlinks. These are created by bookmarking your content on platforms like Reddit or Slashdot. These platforms can drive traffic to your site and provide valuable backlinks. Let's use Slashdot as an example. Search for Slashdot on Google. To sign up, you'll need to email feedback@slashdot.org explaining why you want to join. Once you're approved and logged in, click Submit Story and enter your content's URL, title, and description. Then, click Submit to publish your bookmark. Slashdot has a domain authority of 91, and these links are typically do follow, which means they pass SEO value to your site. Bookmarking your content can help you reach a broader audience and drive traffic, making it a valuable part of your backlink strategy. I hope you found this video helpful for understanding the different types of backlinks and how to get them. Remember, backlinks are just one piece of the SEO puzzle, but they're crucial. Keep building high-quality backlinks, and you'll see your SEO efforts pay off over time. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more SEO tips and tricks. And if you have questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget, I'll be covering several other types of backlinks with examples and step-by-step guides in upcoming videos, so stay tuned.